The Tesla Cybertruck has been the subject of much anticipation and speculation since its unveiling. One of the main concerns surrounding this electric pickup truck is its safety performance in crash tests. In this comprehensive article, we will delve into the aftermath of the Tesla Cybertruck crash tests, examining the questions raised about its safety features and analyzing the results. Join us as we uncover the details and shed light on the innovative design and technology behind this groundbreaking vehicle. Understanding the importance of crash tests. Crash tests play a vital role in evaluating the safety standards of vehicles. They simulate real-life scenarios to assess how a vehicle performs in different collision situations. By conducting these tests, automakers can identify potential weaknesses in their designs and make necessary improvements to enhance passenger and pedestrian safety. With the Tesla Cybertruck being a unique and unconventional vehicle, the crash tests have garnered significant attention from industry experts and enthusiasts alike. The unveiling of the Tesla Cybertruck crash test. Tesla has been relatively secretive about the crash test results of the Cybertruck. However, leaked footage and reports have provided some insights into the aftermath of these tests. The lack of official information has sparked curiosity and raised concerns about the vehicle's safety performance. In the following sections, we will explore what these crash tests revealed and the implications for the Tesla Cybertruck. Body damage and passenger safety. One of the most striking observations from the leaked footage is the minimal body damage sustained by the Tesla Cybertruck during the crash tests. Unlike traditional vehicles that often suffer substantial deformations upon impact, the Cybertruck's stainless steel exoskeleton appeared remarkably resilient. This has led to questions about how the vehicle's structure contributes to passenger safety in the event of a collision. The stainless steel body of the Cybertruck provides a robust outer shell that offers protection to occupants. The material's high strength and durability allow it to withstand significant forces during a crash, reducing the risk of intrusion into the passenger compartment. While the lack of visible deformation may seem unconventional, it is a testament to the Cybertruck's unique design philosophy. Suspension and impact absorption. Another aspect that has been scrutinized is the Cybertruck's suspension system and its ability to absorb impact forces. In traditional vehicles, crumple zones, along with shock absorbers and other components, work together to dissipate energy during a collision. However, the Cybertruck's exoskeleton design and stainless steel construction raise questions about how it handles impact forces and protects occupants. While the leaked footage did not provide a comprehensive view of the Cybertruck's suspension system, it sparked discussions about the vehicle's ability to mitigate the effects of a crash. Some experts have suggested that the Cybertruck's rigid structure and unique suspension design could potentially transfer more energy to the occupants compared to traditional vehicles. Further analysis and official crash test results are necessary to evaluate the effectiveness of the Cybertruck's suspension system. Pedestrian safety concerns. In addition to passenger safety, concerns have been raised about the Cybertruck's impact on pedestrian safety. The vehicle's sharp and angular design, coupled with its stainless steel exterior, has sparked debates about the potential risks it poses to pedestrians in the event of a collision. Traditional vehicles often incorporate design elements and materials that prioritize pedestrian safety, such as energy-absorbing bumpers and hood structures. To address these concerns, Tesla may need to implement innovative solutions to minimize the risk of injury to pedestrians in potential collision scenarios involving the Cybertruck. By leveraging their expertise in vehicle safety and design, Tesla has the opportunity to set new standards for pedestrian protection in electric pickup trucks. Future implications and improvements. The aftermath of the Tesla Cybertruck crash tests has ignited discussions about the future implications and potential improvements for the vehicle. As with any innovative product, the Cybertruck's design and safety features will continue to evolve based on customer feedback and ongoing research and development. Tesla is known for its commitment to continuous improvement and has a track record of implementing enhancements in response to real-world data and customer input. The crash test results and subsequent analysis will undoubtedly inform Tesla's efforts to further enhance the safety of the Cybertruck and address any identified areas of concern. Conclusion: the Tesla Cybertruck crash test aftermath has provided a glimpse into the safety performance of this revolutionary electric pickup truck. While official details and comprehensive test results are yet to be released, leaked footage and reports have sparked important discussions about the vehicle's structural integrity, suspension system, and pedestrian safety. As Tesla works towards refining the Cybertruck, the insights gained from these crash tests will undoubtedly shape its future, ensuring that safety remains a top priority in the development of this groundbreaking vehicle. The Tesla Cybertruck represents a bold step forward in the automotive industry, challenging conventional design principles and pushing the boundaries of what an electric pickup truck can achieve. As the journey towards mass production continues, the safety of the Cybertruck will remain a key focus, ensuring that this innovative vehicle meets and exceeds the expectations of both Tesla enthusiasts and safety-conscious consumers alike.